Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to Day 2 of the Web Development Roadmap 2026, Beginner to Pro. Today, we tackle one of the most common starting questions. If you're starting web development, you're likely asking, should I learn HTML, CSS, or JavaScript first? We're going to clear this up once and for all. Hi, this is Skill Bakery. Today, we'll break down exactly what to learn first and why the order you choose truly matters for success. Let's start with HTML, the absolute foundation of any website. HTML defines the structure of a web page. Elements like headings, paragraphs, images, links, and forms are all created using HTML. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. Without it, nothing else makes sense. It's non-negotiable. HTML always comes first in your learning journey. Once you have the structure with HTML, the next layer is CSS. CSS is what controls the layout, colors, spacing, and responsiveness of your page. This is where your website starts to look professional and engaging. At this stage, focus on basic styling, understanding Flexbox, and creating simple, responsive layouts. Finally, after HTML and CSS, you move on to JavaScript. JavaScript adds behavior and interactivity. Things like button clicks, form validation, dynamic content loading, and animations are all powered by JavaScript. With JavaScript, you'll start thinking logically about programming, not just visually about design. Learning HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript matches how the web actually works. Structure comes first, style second, and behavior last. Skipping this crucial order often leads to confusion and major frustration. A common mistake is jumping straight into JavaScript or frameworks like React. Without solid HTML and CSS fundamentals, everything feels overwhelming and you'll struggle unnecessarily. So how much do you need to learn before you can move on? Learn enough HTML to confidently build a simple, structured web page. Learn enough CSS to style that page responsively across different screen sizes. And finally, learn enough JavaScript to add basic user interactivity. At Skill Bakery, we teach web development in this exact right order: clear, practical, and beginner-friendly. If you want structured learning paths, check out skillbakery.com.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.